Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. Today I want to show you why you need to mix coffee with baking soda. For all the tips, coffee grounds that you usually throw away will do. By the way, it can be easily used in everyday life. So if you like to drink coffee, I will leave links to videos in the description where you can use coffee grounds. Baking soda is also a fairly universal product. It is suitable for both cleaning and washing. Well, what happens if you mix these two ingredients, I'll show you now. Baking soda absorbs moisture well, and coffee has a pleasant aroma and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Therefore, take a small container and pour into it 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of coffee. Cover the container with cling film on top to prevent the contents from spilling. Take a toothpick and make holes. We sometimes put products with rather strong smells in the refrigerator. This could be cheese, fish, onions, and if you want to get rid of the unpleasant smell in the refrigerator, just put a container like this in it. You can also put such a container with coffee and baking soda in the closet where you store shoes or clothes. For the next recipe, we will need about 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 100 milliliters of dish soap. Mix all ingredients well. And add 100 milliliters of water here. The water temperature should be around 80 degrees Celsius. I pour the resulting mixture into an empty bottle of dish soap. This bottle has a suitable dispenser. Because I did not strain the product, it contains large particles. They will not clog such a dispenser, so the product will be convenient to use. The cleaning product we made is great for cleaning greasy and sticky surfaces. I'll show you using a gas stove as an example. Apply the product to the surface. Spread it with a damp sponge, and you can start cleaning. If the stove is very dirty, then leave the product for 5 minutes to soften all the dirt. After cleaning, wipe the surface with a damp cloth and wipe dry. In this composition, baking soda enhances the cleaning properties of the dish soap, and coffee grounds gently help clean the surface from greasy and old stains. And you can use it to clean kitchen cabinets, sticky top, sides, inside, but do not use it for glossy facades because scratches will remain. You can also use this product to clean greasy, dirty pans and pots. Try mixing coffee with baking soda. All the ingredients are available, and I think you will be happy with the result. If you liked the tips, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in other videos.